Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and I just got through making a video on how to create this, and I vector engraved it. And if you don't know what vector engraving is just cutting the line, but with not enough power to go all the way through the wood. And it looks really good. I mean, it looks like it's been lasered. I put a border around it. I put a border around this particularly to make it run longer. So I vector engraved this, and it took 2 minutes and 5 seconds. And as I stated in the other video, if you engrave this with a little bit thicker line, it would take 16 minutes and 10 seconds. So 14 minutes longer to run this little 5x7 plaque, and it won't look any better than that. Now, two ways you can do this that I know of. You can go to print and select your engraver, go to preferences, color mapping, click on the red, and see, I don't use it enough to know what I'm doing. Oh, I have to hit color mapping. Now I've got red. I'm going to run it at, I cut plywood at 5 speed, and I use 100 power. I'm going to put OK. And you also have to use colors that are, well, we'll go back to the color in a second. This is the blue. So we're going to collect the blue, and we're going to run it at 100 power, but only 50 speed. Now, I think I've very seldom used color mapping. I don't know which one it's going to cut first. Maybe somebody will chime in here. I don't know if it's going to cut the blue first, because I've only ever used color mapping like one time. Now, color mapping would help you if you were doing a whole bed of these. It would help you a lot. But if you're not, if you're just doing one frame, this is how I would do it. And this is just how I did it tonight. My nudge factor is set on 8 inches. I'm going to take my frame and I'm going to nudge it out of the way. I'm going to take my interior frame and nudge it out. Whoop, I grabbed the blue. And I'm going to nudge it out of the way. So now I've got the blue in my laser. Epilogue will engrave anything that's a hairline. Doesn't matter what color it is. It doesn't care. So I ran this at 100 power at 50 speed. Okay. Then easily just move this out of the way and bring this back in, and that's why the nudge distance is so good. Now run this, and I would do the blue first so it won't fall out. I would run this at your normal, what you ever run plywood. I run mine just to make sure it goes through knot holes and everything at 100 power at 5 speed, and you're done. Just do 2 runs. This took 10 seconds. This took 1 minute and 55 seconds. So total 2 minutes and 5 seconds versus 16 minutes and 10 seconds if you rastered it and cut it. Anyway, I truly hope that helped a little bit, and thank you for watching.